everyone, how are you today? Let's sing the days of the week. Are you ready? Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday too. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Each day special and every day new. What day is it today? That's right. Today is Monday. Your turn. Today is Monday. Now, I'm going to get on quickly with what we're going to do today. We're going to finish with the number 3 today. We're going to be practicing and we're going to set out a little tea party because I have some friends here. Let's count us. 1, Max the cat. 2, 3. There are 3 of us and we're going to have a birthday party if Max and Dylan stay around. Now, I'm going to set out the plates and I want you to see if you can set out a little party for 3. There are 3 of us. If Dylan was my partner, Max would be left out because 3 is an odd number. If Max was my partner, Dylan would be left out because 3 is an odd number. But let's look at what it looks like. I need 3 plates. 1, 2, 3. It doesn't matter when I'm counting that they're different. I touch each one as I count. 1, 2, 3. I don't mind that they're different from each other. That is fine. I'm going to set out 3 bowls. 1, 2, 3. They're each different, but they're still 3. 1, 2, 3. I've got 3 glasses. 1, 2, 3. They're different, but that's fine. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3. 1 for Max, 1 for me, and 1 for Dylan. Let me get some spoons. Here we are. 1 for Max, 1 for Dylan. That's 1, 2. 1 for me, sorry, and 1 for Dylan. Oh, I had 1 too many. I had 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 is too many. I need to take 1 away. Let's put that 1 away. I have got some forks. Does it matter that they're different sizes? 1, 2, 3. It doesn't matter they're different sizes. Let's give Max a small one. 1 for Max, 1 for me, and 1 for Dylan. Let's have a look at our knives. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many did I need? Let's count again. 1, 2, 3. There are 3 of us. So what do I need to do, Max? He says, put 1 back. Let's put that 1 back. 1, 2, 3. 3. 1 there, 1 there, and 1 there. And here I've got 2 little bowls. Is there enough? No. This one's got cat treats in and this one's got dog treats in. I'll have to go and find 1 more. 1, 2. 2 is not enough. How many more do I need? Tell you grown up. That's right, I need 1 more. Well done, Max. There's a treat for you. I think he likes that. He's going after his treat. And 1 for Dylan. Dylan! 1 there. Okay, so there were 3 of us. We set out enough for 3 people. And we have been doing numbers for 3. We found out then that 2 was not enough. I needed 1 more. We found out that 4 was too many. I had to take 1 away. We saw that it didn't matter if they were different. If part was 2 pink knives, and part was 1, altogether they made 3 when I added them together. It didn't matter that each spoon was different. Part was 1 silver spoon, and part were 2 pink spoons, because 1 and 2 together make 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, cat. 2, me. 3 with the dogs. 1, 2, 3. Now, we're going to just remind ourselves that 3 can be represented in lots of different ways. And this is our final time of doing numbers to 3. So we're really going to get this right today and make sure before we move on to number 4 that we understand every single thing that we have done so far. So here I have my board. I've drawn lines down to separate so I can sort them out, and I've written numbers 1, 2 and 3. Let's have a look and see if you can decide where these go. How many fingers are shown? 1, 2. Where does it go? 2 goes there, underneath the numeral 2. And beads? 1, 2, 3. 3 beads goes here, and we have shown before that 3 can be represented on a bead string like this. 1, 2, 3. So they're the same. How many fingers? 1, 2, 3. Point to where it's going to go. That's right, the numeral 3, it goes there. And what's that? It's the numeral 1, but written with that little bit on the top. But that's fine. 1 can be written in different ways. Back to our 5s frame. And we've been using these in class. And we know that we start at this end. 1, 2. And if you can draw a 5 frame, get your grown up to draw you a 5 frame and count things, but always start at this end. 2 can be like that. I know that one. That's 2 cubes, isn't it? Have I put it in the right place? I'm not so sure now. It looks tall. I wonder if I use my cubes to count next to it. I will see. That's 2 cubes there. That looks like it's not big enough. If I add 1 more, does that work? That's right. I put it in the wrong place. 1, 2, 3. Let's move it over here. And there's my concrete representation of 3. How many spots are on the dice? Just 1. And here's a dice with just 1 spot. Can you see it? And 2. 1, 2 beads. 2 beads. It's 1 less than 3. I'd have to take 1 bead off there to make 2. What numeral is that? Show me on your fingers. Thank you. You show me 2 fingers. Let's put it there. And again, here we have a 5 frame. How many spots can you see? Can you show me on your fingers? 3 spots or 3 counters. Let's put it there. And we've used a 5 frame, haven't we, before? Like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And if I wanted to do a concrete representation of that, 1, 2, 3. Does it matter that all the counters were not red? Does it matter that I've put in 1 blue? No, it doesn't. There's 1, 2, 3. 2 were red, 1 was blue. Part was 2, part was 1, but all together there were 3. How many fingers can you see there? Show me up the same on your hand. That's right, it's 1. And how many beads? Just 1 as well. I know that one. I'll put it here. That doesn't look right. That's 1 cube. I need 1 more. That's right, 2 cubes. Does it matter they're different colours? No, 1 part was green, 1 part was blue. 1, 2, 2 all together. I need to move that to there. How many spots are on the dice? Show me on your hand. Well done, you've shown me 3. 3. There's 3, look. Exactly the same on that dice. 1 cube all on its own. 1 is 1 less than 2. And 2 is 1 less than 3. 3 is the greatest of all of them. There's a numeral 3. That goes here. You tell me where that dice goes. Show me on your fingers. It goes here. And there we have just 1 on a 5 frame. How many do I need to take off this 5 frame to make it the same as that? Show me on your hands. I need to take 2 off. 1, 2. And that will just leave 1. So 3 can be written in lots of different ways. Numicon. Can you see it? It's just 1. Let's put it there and let's put a counter inside it so we're sure. Just 1 counter fits in there, doesn't it? 2. 2 is 1 more than 1. If I put that here, I can put 1, 2 counters. Does it matter that the counters weren't the same colour? No, we're not looking at colour, we're looking at number. And finally, how many is that, Numicon? It's 3, that's right, it's 3. And if I wanted to, I could put 3 counters. 1 yellow one, another yellow one. Let's find 1 more counter. Oh, 1 red one. Does it matter that they're not the same? No, part was 2 counters and part was 1. I could show you that on my hands. Part is 2 and part is 1 and the whole is 3. Altogether there were 3 counters put in there of 2 different colours. Right, so the final thing for you to practice, as well as knowing that numbers to 3 can be represented in different ways, I want you really, before we go on to 4, to practice writing those numerals. 1 is nice and easy. Do you remember what 1 looks like? 1 is like 1 straight soldier. There we are, 1 straight soldier. Number 1. And 2 looks like the duck. Over her head, down her back, give her a tail. Number 2, I've got a nice little point there. Over her head, down her back, give her a tail. And that's what the numeral 2 looks like. And finally, the numeral 3. It's round like that. The big cuddly teddy. I come along the same line again. The numeral 3. 1, 2, 3. There we are. 1, 2, 3. Now I think we have had a fantastic little party. The only thing I need to do now is to go and find 3 nice pieces of chocolate cake, 1 for each of us. I think Max and Dylan have done very well. Come here, boys. Come here, Max. Oh, there he is. And Dylan, you come here. Oh, I think Dylan's after Max's food. Come on here, boys. Haven't you been good? So have a lovely day, and you set up your tea party for perhaps you and 2 members of your family, or perhaps 2 teddies. Have a lovely day, children. Bye.